In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to configure CC-Link device in ABB Omnicore system. So, I already introduced CC-Link configuration in IRC5 system. This video just tell you how to configure in Omnicore system. So, for Mitsubishi PLC communicate with ABB Robot, the protocol should be CC-Link. So, let's begin. So first, you have to make sure you already installed the option. You choose Home, you choose Settings, you choose System, and you confirm whether you already installed this option CC-Link IEFB device in Omnicore system. After you confirmed you already installed this option, the next you have to prepare configuration file for outsider, the CSPPLUS file. So where you can find it, two method. The first, you go to the Teach Pendant. You go to the File Explorer. You go to the Products. You go to the Robot Control, which on your Teach Pendant. Robot Control, this is my version. You go to the Utility. You go to the Service. And you will find this configuration file. You get it? Okay. The second way to you is you open your Robot Studio. You click Add In. You choose the robotware which on your version. In this version, I have this. You open it. You find Robot Package. You find Robot Control. You find Utility. You find Service. You find this path same. Okay, so this is the second way for you to find configuration file. The next you have to connect your Ethernet cable to the MGMQ this port. So the next you have to use the Ethernet cable to connect the MGMT port. Okay, remember? And the path, the IP address should be this. Make sure your laptop at this zone and you connect to this port. Okay, and CC-Link connection. We choose CC-Link connection. We choose when this port. Okay. This is the second details you need to prepare. Once you connect to the MGMT port, you connect to the controller. You online, okay? You online. You connect to the controller. You connect to the controller and you online. The next, you have to enable the CC-Link on Firewall Manager. Communication Firewall Manager. As you can see, CC-Link IE enable on public network. You choose yes. Okay, this is the second. The next, you have to set IP address for CC-Link communication. 3 ways. You can either on Teach Pendant. So first I typed admin, okay? Admin robotics login. So for the IP address, you can click settings. You can choose network and set the public network. Should be this, okay? You set the IP address. This is the first way you can set on Teach Pendant. Or once you connect with the robot on Robot Studio, you can set IP address here. First you choose here, property, network, as you can see, settings, and also here, property, network, settings. Choose public network settings. You get it? Then, after you've configured IP address enabled on firewall manager, the next you choose IO engineering. You double click on it. Okay? And as you will see, IO system, as you can see, CC link, i.e. internal device. Okay, you choose here. As you can see, property, device catalog, property. Under property, you just type the input size, output size. The maximum is 288, which is occupied stations 4 is the maximum. Okay, so make sure input size and occupied stations is the same with PLC side configuration. Okay, so in IC5, that video I already introduced in PLC side configuration. You can combine these two videos. Okay, so after you set this, the next you have to edit signal. So as you can see, this is the signal name. You can name it. And the type of signal, this is right now it's group. You can edit. You can choose edit or not, or you just right click and edit signal. Okay, you can choose it. You can choose digital, group, or digital. Okay, then choose apply. Okay, this is for the signal edit. After the name, you can rename it. After you configured all these signals, the next you choose write into the controller. Then the configuration will download into the robot. So this is this video's content. And if you think useful, please make a donation on my homepage to support me keep on going. See you next.